बातों में शाम हुई रातें. Straight into the video. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti and in today's video I'll be doing a clean girl makeup look. So yes, this video is quite trending these days, so I thought let's just hop on this trend and do this video. So it's more of like a no makeup look, yet it has this edge to it. So yes, I've created this look right here. So if you want to see how I created this look, so please continue watching, and without much ado, let's just dive straight into the video. So before beginning with this makeup look, like your skin should be properly moisturized, क्योंकि वही मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि आपका बेस बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ एंड फ्लॉलेस दिखे. So I have done my moisturization, and for that additional glow I'll be using this facial oil which is from Glamorous, and it's their Dream Skin Oil. Like any facial oil would do. I'll just take a few drops and I'll just gently pat it on my skin. And this step would really add that glow because winters में हमारी skin थोड़ी patchy और flaky हो जाती है. So basically I've done this step to remove that flakiness. So further I'll be going on with this pore filling primer which is from Faces and it's from their Ultime Pro range. It gives you a matte sort of effect. तो मैं पूरे face पे नहीं लगाऊंगी इसको. I'll just be applying it on my T-zone and wherever the pores are. So here and some on the forehead. So basically I'll be focusing on the cheek area only, ताकि पूरा ही चेहरा मैट ना हो जाए. So I'll just press it onto my skin, and this step particularly would help my base to last longer and make it look more flawless. So for the foundation I would be using this OG Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So yes, I'll be taking some on my hand. So this foundation would give me that natural finish क्योंकि ये sheer to medium coverage दे देता है, and as it is a matte foundation and मुझे थोड़ा dewy and glowy look चाहिए, so I'll be using this Swiss Beauty highlighting primer. ये आपने मेरी काफी वीडियोस में देखा होगा. So I'll be using some and mixing it along with the foundation ताकि वो glow from within sort of a effect आए. So I'll just mix it on the back of my hand as you can see. Now I'll just dot it all over my face, avoiding excess product. I'll be taking only उतना जितना coverage मुझे मिल जाए. So I'll just be applying in dotting motions all over my face. And now with the help of a beauty sponge, I'll be blending the entire thing out ताकि एक सीमलेस सी फिनिश मिले एंड ज्यादा केक्ड अप इफेक्ट ना आए. So you can already see the base looks so glowy and natural क्योंकि ज़्यादा high coverage है नहीं इस foundation में. You can build it up though, but yes, this look is more about that natural glowy look. So I went for a medium coverage. So moving forward with the concealer, I'll be using these Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealers. So these are basically two shades. One shade is basically the exact match जो कि medium tony है. That would basically like cancel out my pigmentation and dark circles wherever. And the other is the highlighting shade which is the light medium I suppose. So I'll go on and apply thoda just to cancel out the pigmentation that I have. And next is the highlighting shade. I'll be using it only in my inner corners to highlight it and on the bridge of my nose and on the forehead as well, chin. So I'll wait for some time and then blend this out. So I'm done blending the concealer and I'll not set my face abhi क्योंकि I'll be using more cream products. So after using all the cream products, thereafter I'll set my face. So moving forward with the blush, I'll be using this lip and cheek tint which is from Just Herbs, and I'm in the shade 05 Soft Nude. So I'll be using a cream blush specifically क्योंकि मुझे वैसा dewy and glowy look चाहिए and मैं powder products थोड़ा I'll avoid in this look. So I'll just apply some blush. And I'll not go overboard क्योंकि मुझे natural look रखना है. So I'll just be spreading it on my face. And you can see how it has blended out and looks so natural and dewy on my skin. Moving forward with the highlighter, I'll be using this highlighter from Sephora and it's a stick highlighter. So basically this is how it looks. I'll show you. So this is how the highlighter looks. And I'll be using some on the high points only क्योंकि मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. So this is what I'll do. And I'll take the same sponge and just blend it out ताकि अगर थोड़ा भी excess हो so it would just pick up the excess product. Now I'll be setting my under eye area and I'll be using this Fit Me Compact and I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff again. So I'll be setting only the under eye part क्योंकि बाकी face I want dewy and glowy. So I'll just take some product and I'll just gently press it under the eye क्योंकि I don't want any fine lines. तो जो भी product होगा it just fills that in. So I'll just press it over. And now I'll be doing my eyebrows and for that I'll be using this Etude House drawing pencil. This I have been using like for a year, like almost an year, and इसमें अभी भी काफी product बचा है. So it lasts you really long. Like कोई भी eyebrow product would last you a really long time. So I'll brush through the eyebrows and I'll be keeping my eyebrows natural क्योंकि that's what I prefer like normally also. I'm not saying for this look, but normally also I prefer that way only. So I'll just be drawing a few lines, making it a bit edgy. So you can see how well defined this one looks, whereas this one is not. So I'll quickly do this one as well and be right back. So not doing much to the eyes, I'll just maintain the synchrony and I'll be using a transition shade just to like define my crease area. And for that matter, you can even use any blush that you have. So I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, which is Rose in the Air, and I'm taking this transition shade right here. So I'll be taking some on the brush and dab the excess. So I'll just put it on the crease area so that it looks more defined. So you can spot the difference like इसमें मैंने define किया हुआ है and इसमें नहीं किया है. This is how it would look natural but yet it would have some edge to it. Next I would be using the same eyebrow pencil and I'll just be using close to the lash line ताकि एक sort of highlight मिल जाए eye को and defined लगे थोड़ा ज़्यादा. And I'll just blend that with my finger. So this is how it looks and it gives that smoked out effect and थोड़ा ज़्यादा defined लग रही हैं eyes. So after that I'll be using a mascara and for that I'm using this Kiko mascara which is the voluminizing mascara. So this step really needs to be done very carefully क्योंकि यही एक step है जिससे your lashes would look really good क्योंकि हम falsies तो लगाने नहीं वाले हैं. So I'll just go all the way in to the roots and then do the lashes. I really love the effect this mascara gives onto my lashes. So you can see how voluminous and lengthy my lashes already look without the use of falsies. So I literally like this one. So for the lip shade, I'll be going on with the lipstick that would be my lips but a better kind of a color. So by now you must have guessed that I'll be going on with the brown shade only. But this time I'll be using two shades from the Maybelline Creamy Matte range. So first is in the nude nuance and second is the Midtown Pink. So brown is my favorite, so I'll go on with that. But to give it a hint of pink shade as well, I'll be using the Midtown Pink shade. So I'll just be going on with the nude nuance on the base. And then I'll be going on with the Midtown Pink on the inner of my lips, like only in the middle part. So I'll just be dabbing some. And I'll just be blending it with my fingers itself. So this is how the final look turned out. It looks so glowy, so natural, so effortless, yet at the same time it looks edgy as well. And that is what makes it a no makeup look which has a clean girl vibe to it. So I really like this makeup look because it's very effortless, very easy to do. Like you can achieve this look literally within 5 minutes and it literally makes you look put together. So do let me know in the comments कि आपको ये कैसा लगा, and if you liked it, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends and family. So until then, stay home, take care, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye, love you all.